Hi friends. Today our topic is try to create one simple uh, side nav bar. So let me share my screen. Yeah. So I created one folder, simple navigation bar. Inside that, I'm creating one file, index.html. One more that. So that otherwise in this folder we will try to add outside this folder, so it will not disturb our folder. Yeah, so inside I will create one more file, styles dot styles.css, styles.css. I'm in index.html. I'm writing some skeleton. So our title is, so we'll try to implementing our side now bar, uh, side side now now bar. Just I'm giving title here. I'm adding some link. So here I will add yes. So it will link to the our CSS file. So now we'll try to add some CSS, like CSS and HTML. Will implement our side now bar. So I will give, so so entire body, and how the display properties and all these things we also will discuss. So time being will give one, for the body itself we will give one function. We'll write one some JavaScript, some very basic JavaScript function here. I will write here. So first, on load, I'm writing one function, on load, and load equal to my function I'm giving. So we'll try to write this function. Okay, so in that div I am giving, so div as as loading will give. So in that will this is one div, and I will give side now bar also. Side now we can give side now or side now bar, whatever may be that class. Based on this class we'll try to add CSS. Okay, so for example, so we need some space of our side now bar, then we can give one more class here. So we underscore some space will give. Okay, so left side, before after the side now we give some space, right? That case I'm writing here some space. Okay, so I will write for this function now. So I will add here script tag. Okay, script tag. See, this the src file is not needed. We are not writing any external files here. Just I'm writing here internally only. So just I'm writing one preloader, something preloader equal to document dot get element by id. There is, we will discuss in JavaScript how to get this id, this loading. Okay, document dot get element by id. I'm copying that id, I'm pasting here. What we are using id, just copy this one. Just paste here. Sorry, uh, paste here. So now we'll get the loading div now in preloader. So now next will what we'll do, so we'll create one function, whatever we are written my function. So already we have my function, right? We are declared above for the body. Okay, so the preloader is, we for on the loading time will display, we cannot, we no need to display. Okay, just preloader dot style display property will write equal to none. Okay, I'm writing here none. So this is our sample. I'm copying properly the path. I'm going to the browser. I'm pasting here in, so refresh it. So let me, so everything is correct or not, you need to check. Okay, this is sign now and div and our function. Okay, everything is fine. So we'll try to copy this path properly. Copy path, simple navigation bar, index data stream. Just refresh it. Maybe otherwise you can go here wherever we have that HTML folder and the path is not identifying. So go to the, this is where it is located actually. In CSS we are done, right? So go to the CSS folder, not HTML. Go to the CSS. So we have a simple navigation bar and click on this one. So we see in the body we are nothing is done, right? We are not added anything. So even loading also nothing is added. Okay, so that's why nothing is displaying in our DOM. Okay, so I will try to add CSS now. For the CSS global, so universal selector, universal selector I'm adding. So border box I will add, some margin and everything. Border box will add border box sizing, border box, and even padding also you can add the zero and margin 0. So then no need any margins. Entire our DOM and list styles, list style, if anything is there then we can remove it. And we have will remove the text decoration. If lis any lis is there, will remove entirely none. Our entire DOM no need to add any text decorations. Okay, now we'll add the body tag. Body tag, for the body tag we'll write the CSS. So we'll write some font family. So write anything like sans serif or anything. uh, so I'm adding entire body as background image. I'm adding a background image URL. So in the URL, so we don't have that images, right? Just this, move to this images folder, move to this our simple navigation bar, just move it time being. So if it is needed then you can also move here. So I'm using here, so I will add here. Okay, images, inside the images I will add one image. Okay, so background repeat property also there, no need to repeat our image. So directly I'm adding, and we'll create now. This is our entire entire screen. Now it will visible our whatever we added for the DOM, all the CSS it will apply. So now we'll focus on now what we are written. uh, so this is side now. Side now will write, for the side now CSS will write side now. So side now bar, so how much height is needed? Height is 100% is needed. So we'll try to implement side now bar. And some width is I'm taking 250 pixel from the left. It is width almost 250 pixel. And position is fixed. And z index will give -1. And top will give, top some space it is needed means then we can give 16. Top 16. On left also we can give left 0. Okay, we'll see how the image is how the uh, side now bar is displaying. we'll give the some background. Linear gradient is there, right? We'll add that linear gradient. So we have an RGBA color. RGBA color I'm adding some random colors. I'm adding 29 comma, we'll write 247. One more is 255. Okay, so we'll add one more RGBA color. So that is 46 will give 46 or 50 and 12 randomly whatever background color is needed, just we can add here. So just aqua and blue combination side now I'm implementing. So if I give 13, some light blue color will be hidden, and the overflow also will hide. Overflow X also will be hide. Okay, hidden we can add. And if any property is needed we'll add, and some padding top will also be add. For this 20 pixel will add. Okay, the padding entire our padding is needed. Some we'll see how it is displaying. Yeah, so this is an our side now bar, right? This is side now bar. So I'm adding some border top right radius will add border. So we'll add, then the look and feel will go better. The border will add for top top right radius will add 10 pixel. Okay, so now see our UI. Some see, this is an left, this is right, right? Top border top, uh top, this one I am seeing. See, now this is curved shape, it is coming as 10 pixel now. Okay, so this is an side now bar. And so I am writing inside the side now bar, if it is an anchor tag. Okay, so if it is an anchor tag, side now bar, if it is an anchor tag, then we'll write some padding. So padding will be, top will be 16 pixel, 6 pixel, 6, and right will be an 8 pixel, 6 pixel, and 8 pixel will add. Okay, we'll try to add here. And text decoration, if anything is there for the anchor tag, we'll try to add none. Okay, no need any text decoration. And some font size also will add for the anchor tag. 16 pixel I'm adding. 16 to 20 also fine, 20 to 25 also fine, 16 also fine. Okay, so look and feel we need to change. Okay, so color we need to add some any random color. 81, 81, 81 I'm adding, just gray kind of color. And all the, we'll add the display block. All the our anchor tag items are, we need to show in column wise. That's why we can use that. So now refresh it. So we don't have any anchor tags right here. So we'll add and we'll check them. Okay. So when we are hover also, we can change the color on side now. Okay, side now bar. This is an pseudo class. Hover properties and pseudo class. So I'm adding some color property as f1 f1. Okay, comma is missing I think. So some kind of white, or yeah, this is f1 will give when you are hover on that side now, will change the color. Okay, and we can add some cursor also if it is needed. Then we can add side now, or it's not displaying properly, we can add for anchor tag. Then anchor tag is not there till now, we'll add um, in the sign now, we'll add the anchor tag also. So some anchor tags. Okay, so I'm adding some hashtag here. Home, copy, enter. So go and refresh it. So now it is see, so home or something is displaying. We'll try to change other name. Home services and contact. Yeah, this is some we can add many things, and help is needed, for example. So what, how many options is needed, we can try to add it. Okay, so now when you are hover, so that home itself, it's looking white color, right? So when we are hovering on anchor tag, we are changing white color. So now we'll add, for example, I need to add one search bar. So search bar also, we, if I want to add search bar, I need to add some icon. Okay, so I need to add some icon, but time being is not needed. Okay, so we are implementing just for side navigation bar, right? And if you want to make responsive side nav bar, we can write here CSS also by using the media queries. Okay, @media screen, and we can write max, and we'll write here max width or max height. We can add max height will become 400 pixel or something, 450 pixel. Okay. Side now, some I will add padding top. Padding top will be some 15 pixel. Okay, the side now, and inside that side now we add for anchor tags also. Okay, some padding I will add, some font size will change. Font size I will add a whole 15 pixels. Okay, so if I add like this, so if you want to check this responsiveness, just refresh it. Okay, so I'm opening our inspect and going to mobile mode. See, our layer is making responsiveness. So if I change XR, then the version of our side now bar is automatically it will change based on its height. Okay, if I use iPad, then it will show like this. And if I use any iPad Pro, it is displayed like this. And if I use any Samsung Galaxy, so it will display like this. uh, so this is an responsiveness we can check by this is our default desktop version of application. Okay, so this is just simple navigation bar. Okay, this is about navigation. So in navigation bar we can add some search bars and all these things. This loading is just we are added some simple JavaScript, but not yet used. We'll implement other in JavaScript, we'll implement all these things. This is a simple navigation bar. So this is our simple navigation bar. Okay, this is our background image. And we can, if you want, for example, if I click here, id is equals to href is equals to I am add home. Okay, so I will add this instead of this one. So div hash home. Okay, if I click, it will go it will directly it will goes to the home text. Okay, so if I will add in paragraph some text. Okay, so I will copy this, enter, copy this, enter. Id services, I'm adding here contact, here I'm adding help. Okay, so we'll change the IDs. Now for services, we'll add here service. Okay, whatever contact, you can add here contact. contact, copy here, paste here, and home, help you can add here. So this is we are using some divs. When I clicking on this home, so it will goes to the home content. So if you want to identify, just remove it, this entire content, why it's not needed. Just to go it here and remove it directly. You can ask, this is a home container. Okay, so this is, I will write service container, and this is an contact container, and this is if any help, if you need if you need any help. So some I'm giving some message here. So just I'm clicking and going and refresh it. So this entire content is coming this side, right? So we'll try to this entire area will add cut it and add here. Okay, so now refresh it. So it is coming this side, right? We need to make these divs are side by side, side by side. So then we'll write, this is mm, if I click, for example, so if I click contact, the URL path will change. So some contact information will be we need to render here. So if I click here services, this text will be displaying dynamically. So we'll try to add that conditions in our local, like so we are added some here some CSS, right? So I'm adding, this is an entirely I'm adding one div dot mm, right side. Okay, I will add right side div. So with the help of Bootstrap, we can manage with the help of columns, but we are now trying to using HTML and CSS, right? So just I'm adding here right div, and this is side now. So side now also we can give one more div. This is an left side I will give. Okay, inside the left side you just cut it, entire content you can push into this div. Okay, now see, this is an right side area, this is an left side area, but time being the text is coming overlapping, just we need to add CSS. Okay, so I will show you. So it is coming overlapping, right? So I am inspecting this one. Okay, so this is an right side area. um So entirely this is our body, right? So display flex I'm adding, display flex. Okay, so this is a left side area. Left side area I'm adding, our entire content will be in here only. We will add our position property, position absolute, and I will add left become 100 pixel. So more than 100 pixel I will add, some 400 pixel I will add. Okay, so these content we need to show when I clicking on this one. So it will goes to the file could not be accessed. So we'll go to the that and that file. Okay, so for I will write some CSS for the, so right side display flex and position relative, and the left become 400 pixel. So now see how it is displaying. So now if I give here flex, so it the entire content is coming in one line, right? So we'll remove this display flex property. So now it is come like this. Okay, and I'm giving here relative, right? So if I give absolute here. I will change here. And in home also I will add some padding, will add. Okay, 20 pixel, 22 to the 30, or a height, some we will add height. Okay, height to almost 100% will add. So how much content is, it will auto adjust. Okay, so this is an absolute position, so no need display flex. Our content is coming as an flexible dot home. ID is there, home. We can write we can give the one class and we can write it. Okay, some padding 50 pixels. Okay, even though we can apply all the classes, home, services, IDs, and services, what we have, contact and help. What else have we? Have help. Yeah, somewhat padding we are applying. So now see the screen. So this is our containers. Okay, so if I click here, it will go home container. So we don't have any home container. This is our small UI of side navbar with services, means we can change services here. If I click help, then it will goes to our help only. Okay, that is the, we can write the divs and entire content we will add from scrolls. So each some, if I add here a height and manage, it will come some height. Height will add 1400 pixel each text. So then, so see, so each text is having almost 4. If I write here 900 pixel, so some height will be there. Okay, so if I click here, it will come services. If I click here, contact will come. If I click here, the help is come. Okay, that is the case. Okay, that purpose we can use this one. Okay, if I copy this one here, I'll add some padding and height also. I'm adding height. So almost 700 pixel will add. We cut it. Now refresh it. So now refresh it. So if I click here home will automatically, already home is displaying. Click on service will display. Contact is displaying. Help is displaying. Help is not actually, will add for the color also. So displaying purpose also it is very, so we'll add a red color, then it will display nice. Just identify what color we are getting. So just click now service container is getting, contact container is getting, help if you need any help. So that is the case. This is a simple left side navigation bar. Yeah, this is about simple project I'm wrapping.